this is how my door looks like, and let's open it up. Ta-da! So this is my room. Welcome. Well, this was my mom's bedroom, but I stole her. So yeah, this is my bedroom now. So basically I dreamed with the organization in this room, so that's why I have all the stuff in this way. So let's start with this part of my room. In here I have the stuff that I need, like more faster, this notes app but in real life, and another one because why not. And then I have this that I stole from my grandma, and I have this body oil. Basically I have the stuff that I need like real fast, like this face mask for the night. I use it like all days. And then I have pencils. I have this speaker that I use a lot when I go to the shower. I take a shower and I use it. I sleep on the side of the bed, so I need to have everything real fast. Then my little secret, I have my purse like hiding. Basically I put this because it's more faster to grab something that I need. So yeah, it's my little secret, I think. It's pretty me. Moving on, I have my bed that I didn't make because I don't know, I was too lazy, and it's more comfy. I don't know, I found it really comfy to have my bed like this way. Well, I'm going to share with you my carpet that I have two carpets. I have this one and I have this other one. I have always wanted to have a carpet in my bedroom, so now I finally can say that I have two of them. And one plus is that I don't need a mat yoga to make my exercises. I just need my carpet and that's it. I'm happy with it. In this side I have all my teddies from my mom, my brother, and mine. This chair has a lot of history. It's from my mom, and she bought me this mini for me, and it's pretty cute, the couple of chairs together. So let's move to my desk slash closet. I have my bottle of water in here. I don't drink too much water, but I don't know, this time it was there. And yeah, I have a picture of my mom when she was a kid on the beach. And then I have all these stones that are pretty cute. Moving on, I have my notebook, my journal basically, and I have a lot of things that I normally don't use right now, but they are cute. I don't know. I have this notebook. I have another one that I don't use it, but my uncle gave it to me. And then I have this that I made in second grade that it's pretty cute, like telling my story. So moving on, I have another night table with a lot of books, and I have a Gone with the Wind poster, my mom's map of dreams, and my YouTube bottom that I'm not going to share with you. And then I have my grandma purse that it's pretty cute. Oh my god, these are my toys for when I was like little, when I was like a baby. And then I have my books with a candle, vanilla candle by the way, that it's pretty sweet. I love it. You see that store? I have a picture of me in that store printing, and it's so fun, but I'm not going to share with you that. That's so cringe. But anyways, this is how it looks when you turn around. This is my mom's closet. I basically don't have anything in here because it's all of hers. Well, this thing, it's my brother's like box. I don't know. I have a lot of toys in here, and yeah, basically he uses it when he comes to my bedroom. And then I have a lot of pictures that are really cute, that reminds me a lot of things, a lot of days, a lot of years. I don't know. Well, yeah, this is my closet. I have nothing special here, just two totes one from my boyfriend, and the other one, I don't know who is this tote, but it's really cute too. Then moving on, I have this beautiful ballerina in here and my hand when I was a kid. And up of that, I have a beautiful draw that I did when I was a kid too. But I was doing a performance and I was so cute. I don't know. I just remember that with love. And this is how it looks. Then let's go to the bathroom. Thanks for watching my room tour, and I hope you like it. Bye!